Hi, I'm Chef Dominique Ansel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chip cookie shot using our brand new Flexipan cookie shot mold.
When I first came to America, I didn't know that people would drink milk while eating cookies, and I was fascinated by the process. And this is how I created the cookie shot.
We serve cookie shot in all our shops around the world, and now I'm excited that you'll be able to make cookie shot in your own kitchen at home.
So let's get started by making the dough. We're gonna use some softened butter, the sugar, and the brown sugar. Next, we're gonna add flour, and then the baking soda. 2 eggs. And once everything is combined, we're gonna add the chocolate chips. I'm gonna add a little bit of flour on the counter. We're gonna start rolling the dough. All right, once you're done rolling the dough, it should be about 2 to 3 millimeters thick. Then I'm gonna take a ruler and cut rectangles that are 8 centimeters by 13. And once the dough is cut, the best thing to do is to put it in the fridge to chill. All right, our cookie dough is now really cold. We're gonna grab the first rectangle, and then we're gonna slide it inside the mold all the way to the bottom. Just gonna push. You see, it's pretty easy. And we're gonna push the top right here to make it a little flat. We're gonna place a silicone mat right on top to make sure that they don't brown too much. We're gonna bake it at 170 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Here we are. Our cookies are now cold. We're gonna push them out of the mold. So for this, very simple, I'm gonna put 2 fingers underneath. I'm gonna push them up. And as you can see, it's super easy to remove. And our last step is gonna be to pipe the chocolate roll icing inside the cookie shot. Spread the roll icing inside the cookie, where we pour milk infused with vanilla, and we drink the milk out of the cookie, and then we can eat the cookie. Cheers.